Hello, I'm in a 2015 Kia Sedona, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth as well as delete any phone devices that might be on already. So first you're going to want to make sure the vehicle's on. So take just a moment for it all to boot up. But anyways, once we're there, you should have some options over here you can click. So we'll go to phone. And then if you've got 5 devices already connected, it's maxed out on this display, so you'll have to delete one. I'll show you that system first. So you'll go to phone, which you're already in. Get through this if you need, and then in connections, you should see a list of phones, or not if you don't have any connected. Then you just select one, and then you can delete, or if your phone's already synced to this vehicle, you could connect this way. So we're going to delete that one. That's the process for that. So then we'll see we're going to add a device. So through this method, there's an option right here. So we'll, again, to get to this part, we're under phone, and then you could either on this prompt say yes, or in connections, you can add a device here as well.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
So then you'll
on
need
your device,
your phone.
Select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
Pair new device. And then as it just said, if you could hear it, we're looking at this point for Kia Motors, which should pop up eventually on here, which it did right here. So you'll select that. And then it's going to ask you at some point here to type in the zeros. Every phone's a little different, but it should be something similar to this. So the passkeys match up. So you're going to say pair, and then you're basically there at this point. Yep, pair complete.
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation.
So okay for that. So my phone's synced up now. And then also from the steering wheel, there's some ways you can say use these buttons to help control your phone. And then typically these voice commands, when you see them, you can verbally go through a lot of these options to connect as well. If for some reason you don't want to go over here and hit the add device button or something like that. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.